Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the comparison table section. The comparison table section allows you to visually compare your products, services, or brand advantages against competitors. It's a powerful way to highlight key benefits, build trust, and help customers make informed purchasing decisions. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the comparison table section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the comparison table section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the comparison table section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Comparison Table and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the comparison table section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the comparison table section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. You can also enable the hoverable option to add hover effects, making the table more interactive and engaging for visitors. Desktop position allows you to control where the comparison table appears on desktop devices by choosing either left or right alignment. Mobile position lets you choose whether the table aligns to the top or bottom on mobile devices, helping maintain readability on smaller screens. The table style setting allows you to choose a design that best fits your brand. Select Classic for a traditional layout, Centered for a balanced appearance, Minimalistic for a clean and modern design, or left-right aligned for easier scanning and readability. You can enable the box shadow for comparison table rows and disable hiding of comparison table rows. You can also adjust the border radius to control how rounded the table corners appear, helping match the style of your storefront. The Shop Desktop Title Size setting allows you to control how prominent your shop title appears on desktop devices. Choose from small, medium, or large depending on the emphasis you want to place on your brand. The Shop Mobile Title Size setting allows you to independently control the title size on mobile devices for a more optimized viewing experience. With Logo Size, you can adjust the size of your shop logo on desktop screens, ensuring it fits naturally within the comparison table layout. The Mobile Logo Size option lets you fine-tune the logo size specifically for mobile devices, helping your branding remain clear and balanced on smaller screens. Using the Shop Logo option, you can upload your store's logo to visually represent your brand within the comparison table. The Shop Title setting allows you to customize the shop name displayed in the comparison table. You can also upload a competitor logo, making it easier for customers to visually distinguish between your brand and competing options. The competitor title field allows you to edit and customize the competitor name so it appears exactly as you want in the comparison. With title and subtitle size, you can control the size of your main titles and subtitles by selecting Small, medium, or large, helping create a clear visual hierarchy and improve readability. Match the comparison table section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with CTA blocks such as Advanced double button, Caption, Description, double button, Icon, Image, single button, Subtitle, and Title. Each CTA block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add a block here and open the table settings to start customizing how your comparison tables appear. Next, you can customize the title field. This setting allows you to edit the main comparison heading, helping customers quickly understand what features or benefits are being compared. You can also customize the subtitle field. Use this area to provide additional context or supporting information that helps explain the purpose of the comparison table. The display type setting allows you to choose how comparison information is presented. You can select either an image-based display or a text-based display, depending on how you'd like to showcase the differences between your brand and competitors. For the image-based display, you can use images and icons to create a more visual comparison experience for your customers. Enable Shop Display to show your shop's icon and image within the comparison table. Disabling this option will hide both elements from the shop column. The Shop Icon One Name field allows you to customize the label associated with your shop icon, helping you clearly identify important features or advantages. You can also customize the Custom Color Icon One setting to match your branding or highlight specific shop features more effectively. The Shop Image option allows you to upload an image that visually represents your brand, product, or feature within the comparison table. Enable Competitor Display to show the competitor icon and image. Disabling this option will hide both elements from the competitor column. The Competitor Icon 2 setting allows you to select an icon that represents unavailable features, limitations, or differences when compared to your brand. You can customize the Custom Color Icon 2 setting to visually distinguish competitor indicators from your own shop indicators. The Competitor Image option allows you to upload an image that represents the competing brand, product, or service within the comparison table. For the text-based display, comparison information is presented using text instead of images. Enable Shop Display to show the shop icon and text within the comparison row. Disabling this option will hide both elements from the shop column. The Shop Text field allows you to customize the text displayed for your shop. By default, it displays Yes to indicate that a feature or benefit is included. Enable Competitor Display to show the competitor icon and text within the comparison row. Disabling this option will hide both elements from the competitor column. The competitor text field allows you to customize the text displayed for the competitor. By default, it displays No to indicate that the feature or benefit is not available. And that's it. Your comparison table section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.